Afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me. Welcome to the Face Growth Hub. All right, so last week we did a video about right issues. This week we're going to be doing video about Central Security Clearinghouse System (CSCS) and CHN, which is Clearinghouse Number. Now, follow me if you're not following me to be getting updates every day or every week about things that pertain to investment and shares. Okay, what is CSCS? CSCS actually means Central Security Clearinghouse System. We're going to start from CSCS and I'm going to tell you about CHN. These are the important things that you need in investment that without them you cannot invest. In the Nigeria Stock Exchange in Nigeria Stock Exchange, you cannot have a share or buy a share without having a CSCS number. The CSCS number is compulsory and mandatory. Some of you actually have a CSCS number, but you don't know that you have a CSCS number. In fact, you don't even know your CSCS number. And this particular number is very, very important and fundamental in investment as far as Nigeria is concerned. Now, what does the CSCS number do? The CSCS number is like the online platform where all the shares that you are buying are being stored. Do you understand? See it like the back end of everything that's happening in your broker account. You have 5 broker accounts, you have 10 broker accounts. You bought 10 shares with Bamboo, you bought 100 shares with Chaka. All these things can be linked to your CSCS. So if at all you buy a share and you've lost access to your broker app is not functioning, blah blah blah, your share is still intact in your CSCS number. So your CSCS is the online platforms that holds all your investment together in one place. Do you understand now? So if you have a broker, anyone you're using, Chaka, Bamboo, and the rest, go to the user profile there. You will see your CSCS number is there. Some of you don't know, but go there and see it, because when you are registering for this particular broker, they actually use the information to process your CSCS. For those of you that don't have, but if you have a CSCS number, they will ask you to input the CSCS number so they know they will update it. Now let's go to CHN, which is clearinghouse number. Your CHN is the number that you can use to access your CSCS. I hope you're understanding it now. Use your CHN to access your CSCS. So if your CSCS is the online platform that holds all your investment together, for you to be able to access that place, you need a key, which the key is your CHN. So see your CHN as your BVN. Your BVN has access to open every account you have with any bank at all in Nigeria. So your CHN is that particular BVN or that particular key that can open your CSCS to see all the stock that you own in this particular country or anywhere, any stock, any, be it global stock, be it local stock, whichever way. Also, this also applied to other, global stock. You're staying in the US, you're staying in the UK, you're staying in any place you're staying. These things are, they are the same. All right, so I said your CHN is like the BVN. Now, what are the importance of your CSCS and your CHN? Let me start from CSCS. Automatically, your CSCS help you to avoid losses. Unlike before, when we're doing a certificate back in the days, when you invest, you need a certificate from the bank or from the investor to show that you own this share. But your CSCS has helped you. You don't need those certificate anymore. Everything is online, it's integrated. The CSCS do the transaction. It makes sure that the shares you bought is transferred from the seller to the buyer. And if you are selling, it also makes sure that it transfers from your account to the other account. It makes sure that when you withdraw, the money is coming directly to your bank account that you linked to your broker account, and so on and so forth. Your CHN helps you to sell, helps you to buy, helps you to access dividend. Without your CHN, you cannot access dividend. So your CHN helps you to access dividend. So back in the 80s, some of you actually have stock that you bought, but you have lost access to them because then it was not online, it was paper and all that, and probably maybe the company goes down, liquidated, or pulling, and so on and so forth, and you can't access your shares anymore. But if you have bought shares in this digital era, when this CSCS has come out, then I can assure you, you can access any share you have. Even though you forgot about it, you lost the account or whatever, you can access them. Another thing again, with CSCS and CHN, you can, your dividend is not lost. Even though you did not see your dividend, maybe your company did not, pay dividend on time, or it took years, and maybe you don't have access to the brokerage account you use again, and the rest, and so forth and so forth. With your CSCS and CHN, you can actually trace your dividend and claim them. You understand? So this investment these days has been so secured, and that is the work of the SEC, Security Exchange Commission. They are there to regulate the stock exchange market in Nigeria. A whole lot of benefit they are doing. If you're not following me, please subscribe to this channel. You'll be getting updates about investment and shares every day as they apply. And that is the major thing that we do here. Every week, I keep on posting videos that we keep educating you about investment, about shares, about business growth, and the rest.